This is not what you think it is. And if you constantly get the hiccups, you're gonna wanna see this.
Every time I've ever had the hiccups, my wife, who gets the hiccups a lot, we keep one of these in the medicine closet, and you get it, drink through it like a straw, just like it looks. With water, it works. I promise you, it works.
It's a new hiccup straw from Shark Tank that has been going crazy viral since the recent episode. It looks just like a normal straw, but this doctor designed it to generate enough pressure when you drink water from it to stop the spasms in your diaphragm. It just added them to the TikTok shop, so I'll put it right here on the video for you guys. Highly recommend grabbing one for yourself.